Giving thanks to each of you that took the time out of your life's journey to wish me a happy solar return, happy Earth Day, and more. I am ever grateful to have reached 73. Evolutions around the sun times 365. Give or take a few days, because you got leap year in there. How these people leaping over a year, adding to and taking away. I am just returning from the Legacy Museum in Montgomery, Alabama. And my eyes, my heart, my spirit is aligned to the next phases of my journey. My people, the people of the earth, First Mother, show me the way that you want me to take the next years of my journey. I'm going to be doing YouTube, maybe Facebook Lives, regarding what I received from that, a little bit of it. And just to keep us awake, because it's so easy to fall asleep when you're tired. Ooh, I looked at a lot of people who came before us, whose skins are encased in the colors, the rays of browns that the Creatress, the First Mother, placed upon us to cover the intricacies of the body temples that she gave us and the powers that she granted us as melanated people of Mother Africa. Here I go. Was I ready for this? No. Stay tuned though. And again, I thank you for your wishes for me and your support. And I'm going to be asking for more support. So get ready or not. Here I come. My book, The Visit to the Legacy Museum, and look it up online. It's quite a prestigious history, his story of the legacy of those who have dwelled in the South, not only the South, but primarily in the South, and the pain that our ancestors endured for us to be here, for me to be sitting at will in the outside of the Renaissance Hotel and knowing, well, that I deserve the right to be here. But it's still possible for something to happen to, if not me, others who may choose to lounge here or other places. I got stories to tell, personal ones, of encounters. And wow, thank y'all anyway for listening, for coming forth to open up your spirits to mine on this day that I came to the planet. Namaste, Hotepu, much love and more energy to all of us through our spirits. Goddess Temple Palace, I am the keeper of. It is her energy that gives me my ability to love myself and so many others in spite of, because of even that bee that just tried to come into my energy. Okay, I'm gone.